Hey, what's up guys? So over here I want to show you guys the absolutely best way to clean your barbecue grates on your gas or charcoal barbecue grills, and that is using a super cheap and affordable stainless steel scoring pad. And those pads are, you can find it anywhere in the supermarkets, the cleaning section, and you can just buy it on Amazon, which is what I did. So I bought a 6-pack. I think the brand is 3M, the 3M scoring pads, for only $6, a little more than $6. It kills those wire brushes. As you can see over here, I'm trying really hard to clean the grates with the wire brush, and I'm pressing really hard, and it just doesn't do the job. It wipes away some of the really big pieces, but it leaves a lot to be desired. So now I'm gonna switch back to my scoring pad, the stainless steel scoring pad, and I'm just gonna re-clean it and let you see how easy and how effortless it is. Not to mention, this is probably the cheapest tool that you can use to clean the grills. Look at that. Like the Weber wire brush, I bought it not long ago, and it costs actually $12, so it's fairly expensive, and they actually wear out pretty quickly because I pressed really hard to clean the grates and they doesn't work as good. Over here, there's no effort needed. You just simply very effortlessly just glide through your grates, and your grates are like super shiny, super clean. I have tried so many different kinds of barbecue grill cleaning tools. None of them work as good as this $1 scoring pad. And this is really the best no-brainer tool to have. And my grates are 304 stainless steel grates. They're non-ferrous type, so they don't really attract magnets, and they actually are much less likely to rust. I actually did a review of those grates and some other stainless steel appliances or replacement parts, aftermarket replacement parts for my Weber grill in my previous video. So if you're interested in checking out those stainless steel grates, they work great, feel free to check my previous video. I'm going to put a link at the end of this video. So it's really the best way to clean. And I'm not even applying any of those nasty detergents that's supposedly to help you remove the grease. You don't need any of those. I'm cleaning the underside. I mean, usually it's not necessary to clean the underside, but I like to keep everything clean. So just gonna give the underside a quick brush, and as you can see, just as easy as the other side, except there's a little wire bar in the center, so you need to do the cleaning in 2 sections instead of like 1 section. But really not much difference, and I just love this. So if you guys see this video, just go buy your scoring pad, stainless steel scoring pad. You don't want to buy the very fine, the wool kind. You want to buy those coarse scoring pad, and those pads are actually what works best. The steel wool cleaning pads, another downside for those, don't buy those, is because they rust. So because those wool pads are made of steel instead of stainless steel like those never rust. I can just leave these pads outside for like days, weeks, months, and you're not gonna see any rust on those stainless steel pads. And so as I'm talking, I'm already almost finished cleaning the entire grates, and that's less than 5 minutes. Again, cleaning the underside is absolutely not necessary. So I'm cleaning both sides of the grates on both grates in less than 5 minutes. That's how easy it is to clean those grates. The scoring pad works really well on those really thick stainless steel rods. If you have one of those cast iron rods, either enamel coated or non-enamel coated, it might not work as good as this in making the metal shine, but it actually works equally well in removing all the grease and all the dirt on your cast iron grates as well. So even if your grates are rusted, use this stainless steel scoring pad and maybe apply a little bit of the cooking oil on your grates and just start scrubbing it, and you'll actually restore your cast iron grates to the original shape, as well as my stainless steel grates. So really the wool, those wool is the best kind. And at the very end, I want to talk about how to actually clean those walls. So I'm not gonna have the video to show, but once you finish with wiping those, you're gonna leave a very thick layer of grease on those wall pads. So what I'm using is a natural product that works exceptionally well for cleaning out the grease. So instead of applying that natural citrus cleaner onto your grill, you can just apply it at the end onto your wool pad and let it soak for 1 to 2 minutes, and then just use your kitchen faucet to just flush away all the grease. It's better to use hot water because hot water also at the same time removes a lot of grease on those pads, and then you can save the pads for the next use. And it's really best no-brainer way to clean your barbecue grill. So there you have it. If you guys have any questions about using those grates to clean your grills, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And if you find this video, if you find this tip helpful, please do hit the like button and share this video, or subscribe to my channel. I would like more people to see about this trick and save tons of money on their barbecue cleaning adventures. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching at this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much and take care.